Meet my mom, Sherry Burke.
Hi.
My mom doesn't believe me when I say I can understand her Tagalog. Watch this. So say a sentence.
Kumusta po kayo lahat?
How are all of you guys doing?
Anong gusto mong tanungin ko?
What do you want me to say?
Oh, a little word. One word.
One more time?
Tanungin is ask.
What do you want me to ask?
Yes.
Like, I don't know words, but I understand like concepts.
Anong gagawin natin?
What are we gonna do? Or maybe.
Oh.
Yay! Okay.
Kumain ka na ba?
Have you eaten yet?
Naghugas ka ba ng plato?
Are you gonna finish your food? Damn it! Say it one more time.
Naghugas ka na ba ng plato?
Oh, are you gonna wash the plates? Okay.
Asan yung aso mo?
Where is your dog?
Pinakain mo na ba?
Did your dog eat? Ding ding ding. Happy AAPI heritage month. Now we just need some Filipino food.